A teenager accused of stabbing a classmate in Westchester County today made her first appearance in court.
Zena Brown didn't say anything as she faced a judge on the charge of second-degree murder. Police say she stabbed 16-year-old Valerie Schwab after a confrontation at a Dunkin Donuts in New Rochelle.
Eyewitness News reporter NJ Borgett is live in New Rochelle with the story. NJ.
That's right, Liz, outside the courtroom here in New Rochelle, where the court appearance took about 5 minutes. The suspect's family claims that this was an accident and offered prayers today for the victim and her family. Inside the courtroom, Liz, it was absolutely packed with roughly 24 students from New Rochelle High School. They are here in support of 16-year-old Zena Brown, charged with murder, stabbing 16-year-old Valerie Schwab to death with a steak knife. It happened last week outside a Dunkin Donuts in New Rochelle, a short distance from the high school where they were both classmates. Now, the motive for the attack is still not clear days later, but witnesses reportedly claimed there was a dispute between the two girls that played out over several blocks before the stabbing. Prosecutors revealed today there is surveillance video of the attack. 2 videos are going to be turned over to the defense before the case is presented to a grand jury in the coming days. Relatives of the suspect said a prayer outside the courtroom before the proceedings today and claimed that the stabbing was, in their words, an accident.
I needed to pray for both families. Each family lost right now. It was something, an accident. So God told me to pray. So that's what I did.
It's an accident.
It was an accident.
Well, to be clear, the victim was reportedly stabbed twice. The family of the victim was in court today, but declined to comment on the proceedings. The suspect, Zena Brown, is 16 years old, but is charged with second-degree murder as an adult.